Hi, I'm Lauren and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be taking you through the process of creating a mixed media art journal page. It is one of my favorite pages that I've created and I'm really excited to share this process with you. In this art journal, I'm going to be using a bunch of different media: watercolors, acrylic paint, posca markers, paper, all sorts and sorts of different media. I'm also going to be using some bubble wrap somewhere along the way, so there's going to be lots of different techniques that hopefully you'll get some tips about. And I really hope you find this video just a nice relaxing art journal making video. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll have a bunch of other art journals that I've created. Those videos will be linked below. So let's get art journal page creating.
I'm starting out with some acrylic and gouache for my background. These are the different variations of brands that I'll be using to start off this art journal. To begin, I'm blending some blues and whites by using a really big paintbrush. I also wanted to add some black into the mix to create some variations of darker and lighter areas on the page. One of my koi fish drawings is starting to take shape as I continue adding more color onto this page. For this part, I'm using a circular brush movement to blend the colors and to add a little bit more white to the picture, as well as some blue. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be using some bubble wrap to add a textured print onto the art journal background. It's now time to add some pattern papers. I found some really cool galaxy themed pattern papers that I thought would fit really nicely with the spread and kind of the main idea of what I was going for. On these pattern papers, I started drawing lots and lots of water bubbles to connect with the theme of the fish. I wanted to have a variation in sizes of these bubbles to create an interesting look and flow to the piece. Here I'm painting some movement lines next to each of my fishes. For some text, I'm using these paint bottles and creating the saying, "The universe is infinite." Once everything has had some time to dry, I'm starting to add some details onto my koi fish, such as eyes and parts of their fins. I just wanted to share with you that this is one of my favorite drawing pens. It is the one that I always grab and go to for any kind of drawings. I'm now going to be using watercolors to add a base layer of color to my two koi fish. I wanted to have a couple of variations in the range of colors that I could add to my two koi fish. The acrylic and gouache paints are going to be really visible on the fish and create those darker details on top of the watercolor. I found that this dabbing motion with the black paint was the best way to get the look of the spots that are on the koi fish. Koi fish are said to be symbolic of love and friendship and peace, and these are all beautiful characteristics of life in this universe. And here is the completed art journal spread.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this journal creation as much as I did making this journal. It was really a lot of fun, and I'm really excited about how those fish turned out, and hopefully you saw the techniques and got some creative and inspiring ideas for your own art journal pages. Thanks for joining me here, and I'll see you again soon.